Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how to create animated video titles in Canva. This is a very demanding skill, and you can earn through it. So you can easily earn good amount of money, and also you can use it for your own YouTube channel, or you can provide service on freelancing platform like Fiverr, Upwork and other. So first of all, we will go to fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is a famous freelancing platform. We will check there that there is demand on this skill or not. So I go to fiverr.com and I search animated video titles. So there are 9230 services available, means there are 9230 freelancers which are providing these service. So let's take a look. I will add title text animation in a short time starting at $10. So we can click on this gig. So we will see which service it provides. In basic package, it provides 4 title text animation for your video, 1-day delivery, overlay text, add log, only overlay text. So this is a very easy work. You can do it in 2 to 3 minutes in Canva. So I will teach you how you can uh, make video text titles. So second, standard, we will check standard. In standard, it provide 8 title text animation for your video, overlay text, add logo and custom design. After that, premium 12 text animation for your video, overlay text, add logo, custom design. So I will teach you how you can create this in Canva in very easy steps. So we will go to Canva. So there is Canva homepage. We search in search bar YouTube video. So it provides us templates. We only search video instead of YouTube video, and the size of standard video is 1920 by 1080. So we click on this. It also show us 100 of templates, but we can make it from scratch. So we will select a blank template. So it takes some time for loading. My internet is a bit slow, so it take time. So we will wait for a seconds. So it loaded up. So as you can see, there are many templates available. You can use any of them, but I am creating from a blank video. So I click on this and it will pop up in new window. So here we can create animated titles in video. So I will teach you this skill, and you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So it is loading. I will show you my live project. My client gave me order, and it gave me 3 words: imagine, believe and achieve. So he ordered me to do this work and do these words in animated text titles. So I am doing this live project in front of you. So I will show you how to create this. So first of all, I have to change this background color of this video. So I select black. After that, I go to text and add a heading. Click on add a heading, and I write imagine. After that, I have to copy the same text from Control C and Control V. So I placed below the first text. I again paste the same text from Control V, and that's it. The second word is believe. So I write believe. There is some mistake, so I again copy the word and place below. So believe and achieve. Achieve. So I make these all text in alignment. I have to select all the text and set their alignment left. I align them left in left, and after that I select all and center align them, and then I need align. So there are two ways to get align. First I go to element and write their line, and it shows me different lines. And the second method is I click on my canvas and press L, and it provides me a line. So I select this line and drag it here, and after that I have to rotate this line in 90 degree. So wait a second. That's it. After that I reduce the size of the line. That's it. And I place this line here, and I have to give some weight to the line. I think 15, no, 20 is better. Wait a second. And 13, 20, that's it. And I have to change the color of the line, so I think yellow is good. That's, and I have to change this believe text the same color of the line. So I think it's good look. It's look good. So now we have to animate this text. So I select all the text and line, and I click on this animate button, and there are many templates of animation. You can use any of them. So my favorite is pop, but I also choose some other. You can choose any of the template as you like. So no, I think this is best. So I select this one, and our work is done. So we can play this, and you can see our text is animated now. I play this button and our text is animated. So you can submit your work to the client. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. This is a very easy skill, and you can earn good amount of money if you only provide 20 to 30 orders. So in a month you can easily earn $300, and you can see it will just take 2 to 3 minutes time. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and please share this video with your friends and family so they can also earn money. So in future I will also make different tutorials on how to earn money online. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.